Hello and welcome on my fourth devlog dedicated to the game that I'm working on, Draw. I haven't been posting any videos for the past 2 weeks, but that doesn't mean that I haven't been working on the game. I actually make quite of the improvement. I'm happy to say that I believe that the core mechanics for the leveling system is working well. At least after heavily testing, I haven't found any bugs. So what's the status right now? Well, at the moment, when I add some levels to the player and I add some levels to the different trees like health, stamina, strength, balls, it will increase the player stats. As you can see on the right hand side in the Unity windows, the player stats as a scriptable objects, which will be carried on by the player during the game. So if I increase the stamina, for example, it should increase my stamina regeneration, stamina speed, as some other features, as well as it will update the UI. This is quite important. It's connected to the UI already, so it is increasing the UI bar as well as the stamina stats. It saves those data between the levels, so if I go to the next level it will stay as it is until the game will be switched off, and after switching the game on again it will come back to the initial values for the player. I did it already for all of the 4 different trees for health, strength, balls. As you can see, it's all connected to the UI. Same go for the balls. And I made another improvement as well. I'm working right now on pickable objects. I can already pick up weapon because I decided I can throw it, so there is it has sense to pick up another one. But what I wanna do is to give weapon different properties. For example, like this is the basic sword. It will have, for example, a property damage +1. But if I decide to have like an advanced sword or some axe or some pickaxe, maybe I will give them some other properties, like throw damage will be bigger, or some other features. So I'm working on the system that of the bonuses that will be attached to the pickable objects, and that will improve also the statistics of the player, final statistics of the player, and that will increase also some variety for the game and replayability for this game, I hope. So I managed to do it for the sword, and I managed to do it for the ball, because during the game I hope that player will pick up the ball with the different properties. As you can see, this ball that I pick up change instantly increase my stamina and health, because for the testing reason I gave this ball bonuses +5 to 3 different trees of skills, so health, stamina and ball. And I'm keep continuing connecting those features to the UI elements. The only thing I haven't connected is a strength to artifacts belt, because at the moment I can pick up 1 artifact, and the idea is that once the level of the strength will increase, I want another slots for another artifact to appear, so that the player will be able to carry on more artifacts once investing the levels into the strength. And so that's what I focus on for the past 2 weeks. I'm keep also working on the enemy script and especially enemy AI. However, it's not so easy as I thought. I was hoping to show you some fight finally in this game, some action, but the results are, for me at least, not satisfactory yet. So I'll keep working. I will keep you informed, of course. I hope in a few weeks I will be able to finally show you some action in this game. For the moment, I'm focusing on the leveling system, on the bonus system, and on finalizing the mechanics to connect all of this between the UI elements and the player stats, etc. So actually for today's video that's all. I'm gonna keep it short because it's quite late already. I wish you a great weekend, and if you have any advice or any questions, don't hesitate to place it in the comments, in the comments below. I hope to answer as soon as I can. Have a great weekend and see you soon. Bye.